Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the AUX air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. Each time you press this button, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. You can set 5 modes with the mode button: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. First, we will explain the most commonly used cooling mode. We press the mode button, and when the cursor of the screen stops in front of the word cool, the air conditioner has switched to cooling mode. We recommend that you set the temperature in this mode to 22-24 degrees Celsius. But this can change depending on the situation. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner temperature below 22 degrees Celsius can cause colds. Press the mode button once and the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is the dehumidification mode. This mode is designed to reduce the amount of the moisture in the room. To switch to heating mode, press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word heat. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the temperature between 27 and 30 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, it is more appropriate to select the fan speed as auto, because in this case, the fan speed will be adjusted with the help of the microprocessor. The air conditioner will reach the nominal power mode faster and the evaporator will be covered with snow only at temperature close to 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto speed mode, press the speed button and when the cursor disappears, that is, it is not visible, auto speed will be selected. We press the mode button twice and this is auto mode. In this mode, the temperature is set at 24 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is below 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner works in heating mode, and when it is above 24 degrees Celsius, it works in cooling mode. Now we will explain the secondary buttons. The swing buttons are used to move the blinds and change the direction of the air coming out of the air conditioner. This moves the horizontal blinds up and down, and this moves the vertical blinds right and left. The sleep button is used to prevent colds that may occur due to the air conditioner while sleeping. So, how does this happen? Let's say that we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in cooling mode. When we lie down in our bed and press the sleep button, after about 2 hours of operation, the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree. After a few hours, it will increase by 1 degree again. The turbo button increases the speed of the air conditioner fan to the maximum and returns to the previous mode after 15 minutes of the operation in this mode. The display button is for turning the air conditioner's light on and off. When I fill button is pressed, the temperature is adjusted using the remote control. However, the distance between the air conditioner and the remote control must be less than 7 meters. The C and F button is for switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. The Celsius scale is used in most countries. There is a timer button here. When the air conditioner is standby mode, it is possible to schedule its start by pressing this button. For example, let's say that in cooling mode we want our air conditioner to start after 5 hours. In this case, we press the timer button and set it to 5 hours using the temperature buttons. The air conditioner will automatically start after 5 hours. Or when the air conditioner is in operation, it is possible to schedule it to turn off after 3 hours by pressing the timer button. Timer off. There are two more buttons on this remote control. These buttons have two functions. LH is for turning off and on the additional heater in some air conditioner in heating mode. This button became the echo button in cooling mode and is designed to save electricity in this mode. The health button is active when the air conditioner is running and is used to activate health-related functions such as negative ions, electrostatic precipitation. I clean button works in standby mode and is designed for the air conditioner to clean itself. When we press the on-off button and we press I clean and we see CL, clean. Thank you for following us until the end.